Hi guys, I just posted on my Facebook page and my Instagram that I need support with my YouTube, and in an hour I got around 20, 30 subscriptions, and that's a lot for me. Thank you very much. I'm not used to asking those subscriptions and those Facebook likes. I don't want that. I really want my photos and my videos and my content to speak for itself, but at this point here, I really need your support, and thank you very much for those who support. Oh, flies. Thank you very much for those who supported me. You know, vlogging is not easy. Like, you have to have these and bring this around. You also need a wireless lapel for it, and maybe a wide lens, or maybe a camera, a Canon camera for vlogging. I also use my RX10 Mark V to vlog. Lots of things to do, and you have to edit everything. So for me, it was only for practicing to edit videos, but now it's gone wider. So I'm gonna try to do serious, funny, anything, any content I can have. And thank you for all who subscribe and help me, and for those who's gonna subscribe, yeah, thank you. My tongue's a bit I don't know, my tongue, yeah. I'm a bit excited and nervous about this, but thank you very much for the support.